Hey everybody, it's Evan with the Grainiac. Say thank you all, new subscribers, old subscribers. We hit it. We hit 100. To celebrate, I got myself a little present. I ordered it a week ago, but I figured we'd get over 100 this week. And let's open it up and see what it is. I don't have one of these yet. I'm really excited to order one. As you can tell, I'm starting to do some more branding, but I don't have a wood brand yet for all my woodworking that I do. So there's a little bit of an unboxing because I haven't seen it yet. I'm pretty excited, and that is what this is. Very cool. I think it turned out really good. So if you can see, it says the Grainiac. And of course, we don't need directions to know how things work, right? So we probably just screw it right on here, I would assume. Handle. Handle probably goes right on, it looks like. A nut. And then the handle. Am I doing it right? Really excited, like I said, now I'm a professional, right? Now I can brand my stuff. Make, as you can see, all my clamps and everything. I'll give you a little tour of the wood shop. Got this from Zoe Craft Supply on Amazon. You upload your own design and they make you a stamp with it, so I thought that was pretty cool. There we go. I don't know what that nut might go on here. Maybe? I wouldn't know what for. Maybe someone can explain to me why. So there we go. Pretty cool. The Grainiac, it has little campfire. I don't know if you can get that in focus. Get a better shot of it. Let's see. There we go. Pretty cool. So, let's find some test wood. Let's get a piece of oak that I have. I assume I just get that really hot. Let's check it out. I don't know. All right. Check that out. Seeing it for the first time. That's going to be my new stamp. The Grainiac. Again, thank you all so much for subscribing. Hope I make it worth your while. I'm going to be uploading new videos all the time. Anything meat, beer, wood grain, going against the grain, as I like to say. I have all this wood I need to go through before I can get any more, and I got some bigger slabs here. I'll show you. I got all those slabs. I still gotta make stuff with those. Thank you everybody for subscribing. I really appreciate every one of you. Like, subscribe, anything you want to see me make with some wood. I got all this red oak to go through, some with live edge. Got my router sled I just made. yeah, a lot of hanging wood. I have some big slabs I need to make up into some things. So give me a shout out. I don't only just do meat making, but as you can see, I do woodworking too. I make beer, any kind of cooking recipes you might have. I have a pop-up camper I've been working on. A lot of content coming to you. If I don't upload every week, I hope to upload every 2 weeks. I just try to have something fun and creative. I just don't want to keep blowing up your inboxes with notifications of new videos if it's not worth it. So if you have any ideas, please let me know. And again, this is Evan with the Grainiac. Thank you all so much, and have a good night.